If you've been using dull kitchen knives or mismatched sets that never quite feel right, this might be one of those upgrades you notice every single day. Not because it's flashy, but because cooking suddenly feels smoother, faster, and far more enjoyable. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're looking at the Amazon Basics 9-piece high-carbon stainless steel kitchen knife set, a complete countertop knife solution designed for everyday home cooks who want reliable performance without stepping into luxury pricing. The purchase link is in the description if you'd like to check current pricing and availability. This set includes 7 essential kitchen knives, a knife sharpener, and a pine wood storage block that keeps everything organized and protected. You're getting an 8-inch chef's knife, a Santoka knife, a slicing knife, a serrated bread knife, a boning knife, a utility knife, and a compact paring knife. For many households, this is realistically every knife you'll need for daily cooking. Reason 1. Practical versatility for real kitchens. One of the strongest advantages of this set is how complete it feels right out of the box. Whether you're slicing vegetables, carving meat, cutting bread, or handling delicate prep work, there's a dedicated knife for the task. That makes meal preparation more efficient and noticeably safer compared to forcing one dull knife to do everything. Reason 2. High-carbon stainless steel blades that inspire confidence. The blades are made from high-carbon stainless steel, which matters because it balances sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. The cutting experience feels clean and controlled, especially for a set in this category. For everyday cooking, these knives maintain their edge surprisingly well when properly cared for. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this set has become a dependable choice for families, apartment kitchens, and first-time homeowners alike. Reason 3. Comfortable handling and balanced weight. A knife can look impressive, but if it feels awkward in the hand, you won't enjoy using it. Thankfully, the full tang construction and triple-riveted ergonomic handles create a balanced, stable feel during longer prep sessions. The weight distribution gives you better control while chopping, slicing, or rocking through ingredients with the chef's knife. Reason 4. A cleaner, more organized kitchen setup. The included pine wood block gives the set a more refined countertop presence while also protecting the blades from unnecessary wear. Instead of storing knives loosely in drawers, everything stays accessible, secure, and easy to maintain. It's a small detail that genuinely improves the ownership experience over time. Reason 5. Strong long-term value for everyday users. Not everyone needs ultra-premium handcrafted knives. For most home cooks, what matters is consistency, comfort, and reliability. This set delivers all three while remaining approachable in price. The included sharpener also helps extend the usable life of the blades, adding even more practical value. Now, to keep things balanced, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. These knives are hand wash only, which may be less convenient for some households. And while the edge retention is impressive for the category, serious professional chefs may still prefer higher-end specialty steel options. But for everyday cooking, family meal prep, or anyone upgrading from budget starter knives, the Amazon Basics 9-piece knife set stands out because it focuses on the fundamentals that truly matter: comfort, reliability, versatility, and smart design. If you want a kitchen knife set that feels dependable every time you cook without overspending, this is absolutely worth considering. Take a closer look using the link in the description, and as always, choose the product that helps you buy with confidence.